Qingzhou Longfeng Machinery Technology Company Limited was established in 2005 and is located in Caterpillar Industrial Park, Qingzhou Town, Shandong Province, China, with convenient transportation and mature supply chain production environment. Our production, AOLITE machine is in 2025. The plasma cutting machines will be phased out. We will continue to purchase new equipment and introduce laser cutting intelligent robot welding. The welding quality and slag removal standards are constantly improving. In terms of product accuracy, strength and production efficiency, as well as environment, the quality inspection process. We are controlling product quality strictly. The loader brand, AOLITE, has become a premium brand and is gradually being recognized by users all over the world. We also provide the original spare parts for electric and diesel wheel loaders, backhoe loaders, telescopic wheel loaders, forklifts, dumpers, and other machines. A wide range of attachments and accessories to make it easier to complete heavy tasks and improve the operational efficiency of our customers. We also welcome OEM orders, customized development of new products, improve the technical level to meet the growing needs of customers by guaranteeing product quality, reliable order delivery, and continuously improving service levels. Customers have established a more stable and growing cooperative relationship with us, with a modern quality management system in strict accordance with international standards, adhering to the business principle of mutual benefit, with professional services, high-quality products, and competitive prices. We enjoy a reliable reputation among customers. We warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to cooperate with us for mutual success.